Hi there and welcome back to my channel Rising Genius. In this channel I post puzzles and mind games to help you exercise your mind. So today I have come with another Sudoku puzzle. So let's see what it is. So let's begin. This is an easy level. So since we have just started with the series, I have started with easy Sudoku puzzles. What is the rule of the Sudoku? Basically, you need to put numbers 1 to 9 in each of these 9 small boxes. In each of these 9 small boxes, you have to put numbers 1 to 9, and you have to put numbers 1 to 9 in such a way that the number should not repeat in this row or number should not repeat in these columns. Okay, so I'll make a detailed video later on explaining the various rules of Sudoku. It's very simple actually. The numbers 1 to 9 should not be repeating in any of the lines, either horizontally or vertically, and the 1 to 9 should also not be repeating in any of these big boxes. So this is a big box. If you see, this is second big box. That way there are 9 such big boxes. Alright, so let's begin. Now firstly, where do I start with? Obviously you start with a big box where there are least number of squares that you have to fill by yourself. Okay, so let's say this one. This only one box is to be filled. Already the remaining 8 small boxes have been filled up, and you know yeah. So now what number is pending here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 is pending, correct? So you will put number 6. Now my answers I am going to put in another color. So let's say I'll put it in blue. No, it doesn't, you can't see blue clearly. Let's say green. Can you see green properly? Yes. Okay, so answers we are putting in another color. Now which cell shall we take? Cell is the small square. Which cell shall we take? See, see the full boxes. In the full boxes you have 4 small squares here to fill. I have 6 small squares to fill. Here also I have many. So now big squares are not going to give me any good clues. So let's look at lines horizontally and vertically. Let's start with this line vertically. If you see, I have only 3 cells to fill up, and in this vertical column I have 3 cells here also to fill up. Is there any vertical line or horizontal line where I have only 1 or 2 cells to fill? I can see. Can you see? See this one, right? This is the row where I have only 2 cells to fill. So let's see what they should be. Will this be, you already have 1 here, so 1 cannot come here. You have 2 here, so 2 can't come here. 3 you have here, so 3 can come here. Remember, you have to look at this way, and you have to look at it this way, and you have to look at it within the box. So 1 2 3 can come, 4 cannot come, 5 cannot come, 6 it's here, so 6 cannot come, and 6 is also here, so you can't get 6. Plus 6 we got here, so we can't have 6 here. 7 is also there, here also and here also. 8, yes, 8 we can have. 8 can be here because it's not here anywhere, and 8 is not here anywhere, and 8 is not in this box either. So we can have 8, but we still have to look for 9. Can we have 9? No. Tell me why? Because there is a 9 here in this big box, and there is a 9 in the same row. So what does that leave us with? Only 8. So 8 is our final answer. Okay, now let's see the rest. Now let's see if there is any other cell. Now you have only this one pending. So if in this entire line there is one number missing, it will come here. Let's check. 1 2, which number is missing? 3. 3 is not there here. Before writing a final answer, check all sides. Is 3 here? No. Is 3 in the big box? No. So now I will get the answer 3 here. Clear? Clear, right? Okay. Let's go ahead. Now let's choose a line where only 2 or 3 maybe I have to fill in. Here, let's look at this one. Only 2 or 3 are left. Here, this cell. Can we have 1? Yes, we can have 1. 1 is not there here, and 1 is not there here also, and neither 1 is in this box. So I can have 1. but I will put a slash, means 1 or something else can come. 1 is not the final answer. Can 2 come? No, because 2 is already here. 3 is also here. 4 is not here, 4 is not here, and 4 is not in this box. So we can have a 4. Okay, let's see 5. 5 is already there, 6 is already there, 7 is here, 8 is in this big box only, so I can't have it here, and 9 is also there. So now we have answer between 1 and 4. I don't know what my final answer is. Leave it at that. We will come to it later. You have 1 or 4, so you don't know the final answer. Leave it at that. Let's come to this cell. We don't have 1, so we can have 1 here. 2 is already here, 3 is already here, 4, 5, 6, 7, they are all here. So we can't have any of these numbers, and 8 is also there. So now that leaves us only with 1 here. Now when you get a final answer, remember to cross out all the remaining possibilities that you have written. This is like a pencil writing, right? So I'll remove my pencil writing and I'll say final answer is 4, because if 1 came here, we can't have 1 here. So what was left? 4. So now 4 comes here and 1 comes here, and that leaves us with only 1 cell in this entire line. And tell me fatafat what number will come. See and tell me. 7, right? 7 is the number that is not there anywhere here, and 7 is not there here also. Always cross check, then only you can catch your mistakes in time. 7 is not on this box, in this big box as well. So your answer is here 7. Now let's look at this. Again 3 cells only in this line. So let's see. You have 1 here already, 2 here already. I am looking for this cell. Yeah, I have 1, 2 here, 3 here, 4 is here, 5 is here, 6 is not there here, 6 is not there here. So I can have 6, but we can have somewhere else, something else also. 7 is already there, 8 is already there, 9 is already there. So now that leaves us only with 6. So 6 is my final answer. Just check. 6 is not here, 6 is not here, and 6 is not in this big box. So you can get 6. Alright, let's go ahead. This one, we have 1 in this big box, so we can't have 1 here. 2 is not there here, and 2 is not there here, and 2 is not here in this big box. So I'll put 2 slash. Means this is a pencil writing, 2 or some other number. 3 is not there here, 3 is not there here, and 3 is not here. So 2 or 3 can come. 4 cannot come because 4 is already in this big box, so you can't have 4 here again. 5 is already there, 6 is there, 7 is there, 8 is in the box, and 9 is also in the box. So now that leaves us with 2 or 3. Now check this. 1 is there, 2 can come, right? Because this is a pencil writing, this is not final. So if you have written 2 slash something, then that means you can write 2 here also. This is not your final answer. This 2 is not final, so we can have 2 here. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 is already there, 4 is there, 5 is there, 6 is there, 7 is there, 8 is there, and 9 is in this big box. So that leaves us only with 2. So 2 we got as a final answer here. 2 is not there here, neither here, so we'll delete 2 from here. So now our final answer is 3. So we finished with this line and this line, and now quickly see, this box has only 1 cell remaining. So let's quickly fill that up. What will be the number? Tell me. Chalo, say loudly. What is the number? The number is 6, right? Correct. The number is 6. Now see, there is no 6 here, there is no 6 here in the row, and there is no 6 in this column. So this is your final answer. Now which cell will be tackled? Again we look at a cell, a big box which has only 2 or 3 numbers that are remaining, or any lines which have only 2 or 3 numbers pending. 1, 2 or 3 cells which are pending. Yeah. So I think we can go with this box now because this has only 3 cells pending. So let's start with this one. 1 already there, 2 already there, 3 already there, 4 already here, 5 here, 6 is here, 7 is here and in here, 8 it's already here as well as in the big box, so we can't have it here. So that remains with number 9. Just check once, there is no 9 in the line. in the horizontal line and no 9 in this box as well. Right, so that's our final answer. Let's go to this one. Start with 1. No 1 here, no 1 here, and no 1 in the big box. So we can have 1 or something. 2 is there. 3 is not there in the big box either. It's not there horizontally, neither vertically, neither in the big box. So we have 3 here, or 4 is already there, 5 is already here, 6 is in the big box, 7 is in the big box, 8 is same line, and 9 is also there. So that leaves us with 1 or 3. We don't have a final answer, leave it, move on. In life, always move on, remember. Let's see here. Do we have 1? We can have 1 here. Why? Because there's no 1 here, there is no 1 here, and there is no 1 in the big box. So 1. 2, it's already there. 3 is not there in this line, 3 is not there in this line, and 3 is not there in the box. So we can have 3 here. 4 is there, 5 is there, 6 is there, 7 is there, 8 is there, 9 is there. So if you see in this big box, there are only 2 cells, and on those 2 cells you can have only 2 numbers, 1 or 3. So 1 or 3 now you can't have anywhere else here in this vertical line, or 1 or 3 you cannot have anywhere else in this box. Understand this concept properly, because this will help us later. Let me give you another way of understanding this. See, 1 or 3, these are only 2 cells in this big box, right? So then only 2 cells can be filled up with only 2 numbers. So we have got number 1 or number 3 can fill up these 2 boxes. So if 1 and 3 will occupy these 2 boxes, then 1 and 3 cannot be in any of the other boxes in that line, and 1 and 3 cannot be in any of these big box squares also. Got it? So this logic will help you later to find more cells. Okay, let's move on. Now which line will we take? See this line? We have already given probability for this cell. We only have to find these 2 cells. So let's start. Can we have 1? If your answer is yes, then correct. And if your answer is no, because you have seen this one, then remember that this one is written in pencil. You can have 1 here also. This is not your final answer. So 1 can be here because there is no 1 here. There is no 1 here as of now, and no 1 here in this big box. How about 2? 2 is there. 3 is in the big box. 4 is there here already. 5 is also there. 6 is not there vertically, it's not there horizontally, and it's not in this big box. So we can have 6. 7 is already there. 8, it's already there. 9 is also there. So 1 and 6 is my option. Move ahead. 1 is not there here, 1 is not there here, and 1 is not in the big box. So we can have 1 here. 2 is there. 3 is there in the big box. 4 is already here. 5 is there. 6 is not there here, and 6 is there here. So you can't have 6 here. 7 is already there. 8 is already here, and 9 also is there. So that gives us only with 1. So as soon as you get a final answer, you ensure that you remove all the pencil 1 markings everywhere in this line, and you will remove 1 pencil markings everywhere here in this line, and you would remove 1 pencil markings everywhere in this box. Yeah, you follow this method, you will not go wrong in Sudoku. Okay, so now tell me, this you got your final answer as 3 because we removed that 1. So now can we have 3 here? No, we'll have only 1 here. So you got this also cleared up. This is clear till now. I hope you are understanding. If not, pause it, rewind it again and go through it again. Best thing would be you are solving it side by side with me. When I show you the puzzle, pause the video, copy down the puzzle and then solve it with me. That will be the best way to learn. Let's look at this line now. Because there are only 3 cells remaining. So we have 1 here, 2 here. I am looking for this cell, okay? We have 1, 2, 3, 4 is not there here, and 4 is not there here, and 4 is not there here. So we can have 4 here. 5 is not there here, 5 is not there here, and 5 is not there here. So we'll have 5 here, 4/5. 6 is already in this big box, so we can't have it here. 7 is here, 8 is here, and 9 is in the big box. So 4 or 5 is my answer. How about here? 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there, 4. Can we have 4? This is the pencil marking. So yes, we can have 4. This is not final 4 yet. So 4 we can have. 5, not here, not here, not here. So 4 or 5. 6, completed till 9. 6 is there in the big box, so you can't have here. 7, there is no 7 in this big box, no 7 in this line, and no 7 here. So we can have 7 also. 8 is already there, 9 is already there. So there are 3 numbers that I can fit in this. Let's look at this one. Leave it, go ahead. 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there, 4 is not here, 4 is not here. So we can write 4/5. 5 is not here, and 5 is there here. So we can't have 5. 6 is there, 7 is not here, 7 is not here, and 7 is not here. So we can have 4/7. 8 is there, 9 is there. So now we have 4/5, 4/57, 4/5/7, and 4/7. So we have 3 digits only that are coming into these 3 cells. So now we don't know what else we can do here, so leave it. Let's go ahead. Now in this big box there are so many cells that are pending. Leave it for now. Let's look at this big box. There are 3 cells only that we need. So let's begin. Let's start from here. 1, let's start from this cell. 1 is not there here, it's not there here, and it's not there here. So we can have 1/. 2 is there here in the big box, so I don't need a 2 here. 3 is there. 4 is not there this way, 4 is not there this way, 4 is not in the big box, so we can have 4. 5, it's already there. 6 is already there. 7 is already there. 8 is already there. 9 is already there. So we have 1/4. Let's look at this one. So what some people follow the method is they will not write possibilities. They will only write those cells which have the final answer in it. So that kind of method works in easy Sudoku puzzles, but when the difficulty increases, you have to start writing the probabilities so that you will be able to deduce and finally get your answers. Okay, so I am teaching you that method only, which will help you in the future puzzles. Let's look at this. 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there, 4 is not here, and this is a pencil marking, so ignore. 4 is not here, and 4 is not here. This is a pencil marking, ignore. So we can have 4. 5 is not there here, 5 is there here, so you can't have 5 here. 6 is there in the big box, so you can't have. 7 is already in the big box, 8 is in the big box, 9 is in the big box. So what does that leave me with? 4. Now as soon as you get a final answer, please delete all the pencil markings where you have written 4. Erase it. So 4 goes out from here, and 4 will also go out from this big box. You can't have 4 there because 4 is here in the big box, right? So that leaves me here with 1, and that leaves me here with 7. Now pay attention, remember which ones you erased. You erased this one, so we can't have 1. You erased and you made this 1 as final, right? So you can't have 1 anywhere here, and neither can you have 1 anywhere here, and neither can you have 1 anywhere here. And this 7, since you can't have 7 anywhere here, so remove all your pencil markings of 7. Here there are no pencil markings, and here I have not written any 7s. So that leaves me with 4, 5 in this cell, 4, 5 in this cell. And now this leaves me with only one cell pending, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. Tell me which number? 5. I should have asked you before starting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we finished with this. Yahoo! Now see a very important thing, observation. In this big box you have 2 cells which are telling you that I can have only 4 and 5 with me. The cell is telling you that I can have only 4 and 5 in me. So that means, can 4, 5 come here? 4 and 5 cannot come here, because if 4 comes here, then 5 will come here. If 5 comes here, then 4 will come here. So how will we have 4 or 5 here or here? correct? So this knowledge is important in solving these two cells. So let's begin. Let's start with this one. 1 is already there in the big box, 2 is already there, 3 not there here, not there here, and not there here. So we can have 3. Will you even check for 4 and 5? No, because 4 and 5 are here or here. So you cannot have 4 and 5 here at all. That's the interesting hint. 6 is already there, 7 it's not there here, 7 is not there here, and 7 is not there anywhere. So you can have 3/7. 8 already in the big box, 9 already in the big box. So now I have two possibilities here, 3 and 7. Let's see this one quickly. 1 is already there, 2 is not there here. 2 is here. 3 is not there here, and 3 is not there here, and 3 is not there here. So we can have 3 here, or 4. Again I will not check because 4 and 5 can come either in this box or this box. So 6 is already here. 7 cannot come here because we have 7 here. So now 7 cannot come here. Yeah, so since 7 cannot come here, then 8 and 9 are already here. So we have only 3. So delete all your pencil 3 markings from here also and from here also. Now we have only 4 and 5 remaining here. Let's go ahead. This cell we'll take because there are 3 cells pending, so we'll take this box. Isme bhi which one we will take first? See, this vertical line has only one number here. They all have numbers up, but here they have, this one has only 2 numbers, this one has 2 numbers, this one has 3 fixed numbers. So then we'll start with this one. Yeah, thoda sa you have to see up down which number should I start with, which cell should I start with. So we have 1 here, 2 here, 3 here, 4 is there, 5 is there, 6 is there, 7 is there, 8 is there, and 9 is not there anywhere. So we'll have 9 here. Remove all your pencil markings, no pencil markings, no 9s anywhere. Let's go. Now see, instead of going here, what you can do, go here because only one cell is pending in this entire line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is pending. 7 will not come here, it's not there, and 7 is not there this way also. 7 is not there in the big box also. So you can have 7 here, 8 and 9. So you see, bonus, you got one cell here while solving this cells. That way thoda upar niche you have to see so that you can work faster. Let's try this cell now. 1 is already there in the big box, 2 is not there here, 2 is not there here, and 2 is not there in the big box. So you can have 2. 3 is already there, 4 is already here, 5 is there, 6 is there, 7 is there, 8 is there, 9 is there. So that leaves me only with 2. Remove all 2 pencils, no pencil markings in 2. Okay. Come back here. What is pending? Chalo, now this to you can tell me. Answer is 4. See, only 4 is pending. There is no 4 here, and there is no 4 here, and there is no 4 here. So we had 4 pending. So we got this one. Now which line will we see? इसमें 3 lines, इसमें 3 cells, इसमें 3 cells, इसमें 3 cells, इसमें भी 3 cells, इसमें many cells. Forget. Look at it this way. Here only 2 cells are pending. So let's start with this one. 1 we have, 2 we don't have here, we don't have here, we don't have here. So let's put 2 comma. 3 is there, 4 is there, 5 is there, 6 is there, 7 aa gaya, 8 is already here, and 9 is there already. So that gives me only 2. So that's my final answer. Remove any 2 pencils. Nothing is there. There is no 2 anywhere else also. Write it here again now. 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there, 4, 5, 6 is there, 7 is in the box only, 8 is already there. So that leaves me with 9. Just check once. Have you written 9 anywhere else here? If yes, then it's a mistake. Either this 9 or that 9. Something is a mistake. You'll have to check. There is no 9 here and there is no 9 here. Right, we got it. Now 2 more cells here. We don't have 1 here. We don't have 1. Yeah, we have a 1 here. So we can't have 1 here. 2 is there already in the big box, 3 is already there, 4 is there, 5 is there, 6 is there, 7 is there, left is 8. Do you have 8 upar? No. Do I have 8 at the sides? No. So 8 is the right answer. What's left? 1. There is no 1 upar, there is no 1 side mein, there is no 1 in the box. So that's your Sudoku. This much is complete. Now quickly let's do these. These are 3 cells pending, 2 cells pending here. We'll start with this one. 1, we are looking for this cell. 1, 2 is already there, 3 is not there here, 3 is not there here, and 3 is not in the big box. So 3 or 4. 4 is not there here, it's there here. So you can't have 4 here. 5, it's already here. 6, 7, 8 is not there here, 8 is not there here, and 8 is not there here. So we can have 8. 9, 9 is there here. So 3 or 8 can come here. Let's see this one. 1, 2, 3. 3 is not there here, not there here. So we can have 3 or 4 is there, 5 is there, 6 is there, 7 is there, 8. Is there 8 here? No. So 3 or 8. So again we have one line, 2 possibilities. 2 cells, 2 possibilities, 1 full line. This is the best, yeah. Then it will tell you that in these 3 cells, in these 4 cells, you can't have 3 or 8. Because 3 and 8 are gone in these 2 cells only. So you cannot have 3 or 8 anywhere here. Again I'll explain. If you get 3 here, you can't have 3 here, you will get 8 here. And if you have 8 here, then you will have 3 here. So then 3 and 8 has to fit in these 2 cells only. Yahan pe they cannot fit. So let's start with the rest. 1 is there, 2. 2 is not there here, 2 is not there here, and 2 is not there in the big box. So 2 comma 3, and I don't have to see, 3 is already here. 4. Now see, this is the important. Yahan pe this is 4 and 5. Barabar. Here can I have 4? If example this 4 was not there here, could I have written 4 here? Answer is yes. Why? Because these 2, 4, 5 are only to be seen for this entire line or this entire box. Barabar. If this was 5, then you can get this as 4. I hope you are understanding. So this 4 and 5 का जो हमें pair मिला है, this 4 and 5, this pair is for this line or for this entire box, but it's not there for this way, because 4 and 5 is not there this way in 2 cells. Okay, I hope you've understood this. So now 4 can come here, but there is a 4 here, so I will not have a 4 here. Now 5 is there, 6 is there, 7 is there, 8 is there, 9 is there. So now I am left with only 2. So 2 is not there here, and 2 is not there here, and 2 is not there here. So 2 is pending. Now let's look at this one. 1, 2, 3 is confirmed. Again, see, this is what I was telling you. 4 is not there here, and 4 is not there here. Can we have 4 here? Yes, right, because this is just a pencil marking in one cell. There is no such 2 cells with only 2 numbers confirmed. So we can have 4 here. 5 is not there here, 5 is not there here, and 5 is not there anywhere else. So we can have 5 here. 6, 7, 8. Can we have 8? No. And 9 we can't have here, 9 we cannot have here. We can have a 9 here. Just let me check this again. 1, 2, 3, 4 I can have, 5 I can have, because again this is just a pencil marking. 6 is already there, 7 is already there, 8 will fit here or here only, and 9 is here, and 9 is not here, and 9 is not here, and 9 is not in this big box. So we can have 3 digits here, 4, 5 and 9. Let's check this one. 1 is already here, 2 is there, 3 is there, 4 is not there here. This is just a pencil marking, so I can take 4 here. 5 is not there here, 5 is there here, 6 is there here, 7 is there here, 8 is there, and 9 is not there here, and 9 is not there here, and 9 is not in the box. So we can have 4 or 9 here. Too many probabilities. Let's keep writing. 1, 2, 3 is already there, 4 not there here, 4 is not there here. This is again only pencil, so we can have 4. 5 not there here, not there here, and not there here. So 4/5, again this is just pencil. 6 is there, 7 is there, 8 is also there here, and 9 is also there here. So I can have only 4 or 5 here. Okay, now see, you got 4 or 5 here, and you got 4 or 5 here. That means you can't get 4 or 5 anywhere else in any other cell in this line now. Okay, I hope you're getting this. 4 and 5 is here, 4 and 5 is here. So this way also you can't have 4, 5 in any other cell. 3 and 8 is only for this line. Whenever you get that such pairs, no, that's when you get a better hint. Okay, now we have only this pending. Which line has maximum number of confirmed answers? This one. Okay, let's continue now. Let's fill up this. 1, 2 is there, 3 is already here. I am looking for this cell. 3 is already there, 4 is already here, 5 is there, 6 is not there here, 6 is not there here, 6 is not there here. So 6 can come here, 7 is already come, 8 is already come, and 9 is not come, cannot come here, can come here, can come here. Yeah, so 9 is here, 6 or 9. This one, 1, 2, 3 is not there here, 3 is not there here, 3 is not there here. So we can have 3, 4 is here, 5 is here, 6 is here, 7 is here, 8. I am looking for confirmed answers. 9 is not there. We can have 3 or 9. Here 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 not there here, not there here, 3 is not there here. So we can have 3 here, 4, 5, 6 already we have, 7 we have, 8 we have, and 9 is there here. So we can have only 3 here. So very good. So all pencil 3s out. All pencil 3s bye bye. So now we have left only 4 and 5 here and 4 and 5 here. So that means any other 4 and 5 in any other cell will not come, right? And here 6 and 9 here, and here we got 9. So from here now 9 will go. So now we are left with 6. If this is 9, then remove all 9s from the other cells also. Yeah, this is the best part. I love erasing. 9 goes out from here, 9 goes out from here, 9 goes out from here, 6. Complete the loop. 6 goes out from here, 6 goes out from here, 6 goes out from here. Now we have this 4. If this is 4, remove all the pencil 4s here in this box. Let's remove it. Delete. So now no 4s here. Now we have left with this 5. If this is 5, get this 5 out. Bye bye. And no 5s here. This 5 also has to come out. Bye bye. Now no 5s here. If this is 8, this will be 3. And no 3s here, no pencil markings. Now it's clean. Except this one, this is already 4. You got your answer. So now this will be 5. Yay! All saaf ho gaya. Now let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4 is not there. 4 is there. Left. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. What is pending here? Chalo, fatapat tell me the answer. 8. What's pending here? 2, 3. 2 is pending. No 2 here. 8 is not there here. 2. Barabar? So you have solved your Sudoku. Congratulations. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Now what you do is, if you hadn't solved it with me, go back to the start of the video, copy down the entire puzzle, ensure that you copy it properly, not or you for 1 hour you will be just lost in the Sudoku. Yeah, so start copying it down properly and then solve it step by step as I taught. I may have started here, you may start here, it's okay. You can start anywhere you want to. There is no correct way to start. Okay, at the end there is only one way to finish, but there is no correct way to start. There are many correct ways to start, but only one way to finish the puzzle. If you have got all one, if you have been able to solve and get 1 digit in every cell, then you are right. Alright, I hope you have enjoyed the video. See you next time. Bye bye.